Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a quick look at our 2017 Sea Ray 270 SDX. It's a brand new trade for us. It just arrived. But first we'll start with the way the boat's colored. It's got the blue hull sides with horizon in white. Engine option, we have the 300 horsepower Mercury Verado with digital throttle and shift, and that has the optional white paint on it. Across the transom, you have a nice big sun pad with supports that come up behind the knees for a very comfortable pitched back seat. This opens up. You have a ton of storage that runs down the port side, as well as a nice storage compartment here that'll fit all of your beach chairs and plenty of gear. As we make our way into the cockpit of the boat, you do have a ski pylon off the transom. Nice wraparound seating on the port side, full length on the starboard side. Underneath the starboard side seat, you have a cool box. Storage on the port side. The companion seat and the helm seat both have adjustable backrests to give you aft-facing loungers or forward-facing seats. Big ski locker in the floor. This boat is equipped with the Infinity woven carpet liner. On the port side, you have a vacuum flush head with freshwater sink. At the helm, the boat's equipped with the Rockford Fosgate stereo system, the Raymarine GPS with depth finder. The boat is digital throttle and shift, as I'd mentioned earlier. So we make our way up to the bow of the boat. You have a bow block-off door and a windshield that can close. Two loungers, one on port, one on starboard, with flip-up armrests. This boat is also equipped with a windlass anchor. You have a freshwater sprayer at the bow of the boat, as well as at the transom. That's a real quick look at the 2017 Sea Ray 270 SDX trade. If you have any more questions about this boat or you'd like to see it in person, ask for me, Dean Ashton. Be happy to help you out.